Hi everyone, it's Julia here at Artful Elements Studio. I hope I find you well and creating. And today, I'm going to be creating with you. I'm going to show you how we're going to make these. Isn't this awesome? Look at that. Look at the size of that. So cool, huh? Yeah, I think so too. So we'll be working with a set of molds that I purchased from Little Windows, and Fran's lovely to work with, and these molds are exceptional. This is her 6-in-1 oval cabochon molds. You can make so many variations with the molds, and it's not one, it's a lot of them. All right, so we're going to be working with this, and I'll open that up here real quick. We're also going to be working with my fusion film. Fusion film comes in all different kinds, as most of you know. We have lots of different ones, all handmade by me. And then we've got our flakes and we've got our fine spun, but today we're working with the lace fusion film and these molds and UV resin. You can use 2-part if you'd like. It's really up to you. Okay, you ready for the unveiling? Oh gosh. I mean, the instructions in here are amazing. So well thought out. There's a template for cutting. So we've got a 45 by 60 millimeter, a 30 by 40 millimeter, a 26 by 35 millimeter, a 22 by 30 millimeter, 16 by 24 millimeter, and a 13 by 18 millimeter. Yeah, she thought of it all. And look at these. Oh, I mean, yes, they have glitter on them. I've already used them. But look, I mean, such a quality mold and so versatile. And look, the other ones, all the different smaller ones. I just love it, okay? But we're going to be doing the big one because it's like go big or go home, as everybody says, right? That's what we're going to do. So we're going to set that there. Put this over there, and we won't be needing to use the template for cutting. Now, if you were to use any other kind of material or films, then yeah, you would want to use your template and then easily cut that out. But we're working with the lace, and so it's easy. It's really organic, and we'll be able to just pull our pieces from it to get a really kind of laid out, layered piece with lots of depth. So let me set all this out of our way. All right, I've got some of other flakes and just some glitters and stuff that I may add, and I may do a back color. But anyway, what I realized early on is if I didn't want to get any glitter inside of the frame, that I would cast it first. Then that way when I fill the cab area, I wouldn't have to worry about it, okay? All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and cast this frame area with some black. I'm gonna pinch this. Okay, now we'll set that aside. Now we'll go ahead and cure that. So now we have this. So I like to put a little bit of resin down inside first. And that's just going to help us get more depth because, you know, it's going to magnify. So we'll just roll it around. Now with UV resin, we can do it in layers fairly quickly. With 2-part, you know, when I was developing my different style for my films, I wanted to make sure they had enough tooth to them that they would hold structure in a 2-part versus really settling, okay? But anyway, we've got this. I'm gonna hit it with the little heat gun here just to kind of, it's cold in the studio today. I don't know about you guys, but we've got snow and ice. Okay, And there we go. And now I'm going to add a little bit of our hollow bits. Hollow bits are a translucent material, and then they have the holograph on them, so they can be embedded in the resin and you won't lose that holographic look to them. All right, so we have that. And I'll hit it again, and then we're going to cure that. And I don't do a full cure, it's just a quick thing there. All right, now we're going to add some more of the resin. Okay. And now we'll just sprinkle in a little bit of other glitz here, just like that. But I mostly want to focus on this. Okay, so I'm going to start tearing these pieces and layering them in. And we'll hit that with a light. And we're going to add a little more. I'll sprinkle in some more hollow bits. I like this pink. Just a little bit of that. All right. Okay, we'll hit it with the heat gun. All right, and then now we will cure that. And I still have some of the black left from doing the frame, so I think we'll back it with a little bit of black because I like black. Go. And of course you can always spray the back of these black, which is what I've done with these others to just intensify it. Alrighty, now we will cure it. So here we go. Now we're going to demold it. Scissors. Get my little scissors and trim that little unwanted flash off there that I had. Look at that. See all the depth? Yeah. Amazing. This, and some fusion film. Yeah. I hope you have fun. You've got to get this mold. It's wonderful. It's absolutely wonderful. And I'll be making lots of these. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy creating. Bye for now.